back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the SeaSucker Monkey Bars, a universal vacuum-mounted base rack system. The Monkey Bars are a pair of 48-inch aluminum round crossbars with a black powder-coated finish, which install quick and easy with no tools required once they've been assembled. To assemble the Monkey Bars, start by locating the crossbar adapter and attach it to one of the bases with the supplied hardware. Tighten down this hardware with the Allen wrench and open-ended wrench SeaSucker provides with this product, and repeat this same process for the 3 remaining bases. The next step is to screw the 2 halves of each crossbar together. Once set up, you are able to unscrew this connection for more compact storage of the Monkey Bars. For the next step of assembly, we found it easiest to place the Monkey Bars onto the roof of the vehicle in the location you would like to mount it, with the crossbar adapters loose to allow you to center the bars accurately on the vehicle. When you're happy with how everything lines up, tighten the screw located on the bar adapter to properly secure the round bar to the bases. Make sure you tighten down all 4 of these screws. Here comes the fun part. To attach the Monkey Bars to the roof of your vehicle, give the vacuum mount some downward pressure and begin to pump the mechanism, which builds pressure within the suction cups until the orange marker can no longer be seen. This indicates that the suction cup has properly adhered to the surface. Repeat this process for each remaining side. Then, give the rack a good shake to ensure it has been properly installed. The bar should cause the vehicle to sway with no play between the rack and the surface of the roof. With the Monkey Bars installed, feel free to load them up just like you would a traditional crossbar system. When you're ready to remove the Monkey Bars, simply apply pressure on these tabs to remove the bars with ease. This concludes our video on the Monkey Bars from SeaSucker. If you have any questions about this product, please give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.